Tuesday morning. Ronnie is dying to say hello. Gonna say hi, Ronnie. What are you doing, Ronnie? You're painting.
Hello.
Aren't you?
Hello.
And Stan's painting too. What are you painting, Stan?
I'm making one of the rainforest trees.
Yeah, and we're making a display, aren't we? We're going to finally take down our ocean display, which we love. But we're going to do something about the layers of the rainforest, aren't we? Yeah. Oh, you can't see you, Ronnie. So, yesterday we started our project on the rainforest. We discussed the layers of the rainforest. We read lots of books together, and we also made some animals and coloured some animals ready to go on our display. So today we're going to do the painting part of it, and Stan started to paint some trees, and Ronnie's painting, aren't you? Yeah, you're doing a great job.
Yeah.
But yeah, aside from that, we basically wrote some bits on our board, which is how we always start off our topic. So we went through some books, and we then just made a few notes. So then we also did the layers of the rainforest, and we made notes on that. We watched a YouTube video and we made some notes of the 4 different layers of the rainforest. So we did that, and we had the books out so that we can just refer to them when we want to, and that's kind of how we start our projects. But yeah, so we're going to crack on and do some painting. I'm going to help Stan and do some as well, so they've got time to dry, and yeah, just go from there really. Where are you off to, Stan? Who are you going with?
My granddad.
Are you going for a walk with Granddad?
I like Grandma.
I'm going to fold some washing. Fun.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
The boys are back from their walk, aren't you, with Granddad? And you have, I'm sure, I don't know what footage there is, I'll see. And they're having some tomato soup, aren't you? Is that nice?
Yeah. Look, I put some bread in here so it tastes as nice. I'm doing the same as my nana.
Yeah, that's what Nana does. That's cool. So, and I managed to fold some washing and get the other display down,
nice with
and then put the new backing up ready for the display. We're going to try and get the rest of the display up, aren't we, Stan?
Yeah.
What are you up to?
I'm just cutting some of the animals out.
Yeah, that's for the display, isn't it? And I'm going to put some blue on for the sky.
Yeah.
I'm going to cut some of these trees out and add some bits. We might need to make some more animals for it, mightn't we?
I like my man's butterfly the best. He's done really good.
You like that one, do you? It's
Yeah.
colourful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Here is the finished display. We've got all of the layers there. Are you pleased with it, Stan?
Yeah.
Right, now we need to tidy up all of this mess that's everywhere and have an early dinner because we've got woodcraft tonight. So
I can't wait. What, did you know the older ones are doing cooking and the young, my friends are doing the, you know, making the butter.
Well, what are you making then?
Pancakes. Mummy.
Yeah. You need to take that off.
Yeah.
So, I'm cooking a gourmet dinner tonight of, wait for it, pasta and peas with a little red pesto, because I don't really like the green pesto. Does it remind anyone else of Christmas trees? It really reminds me of Christmas trees, the taste. Not that I've tasted a Christmas tree, but you know what I mean. Anyway, and some fish fingers, because that is just the way it's going to have to be tonight. We've got to be out at 6 o'clock for woodcraft, and I want to be tidied up and give the boys a bath because they're covered in paint and stuff, so beforehand. So we're literally going to dish up in a minute and just have something really quick. Mum's staying for dinner, and then I'm going to drop her in at home afterwards. So anyway, poor Mum, do her a gourmet dinner when she comes round, but anyhow, gives her a break from Dad's cooking. We are going into woodcraft, and it is cold. Ta-da! Did you drop your brother off?
Mummy.
Yeah?
Mago.
Or you'd like to sit in your brother's seat? Yeah, that's fine. You can sit in your... adjust the head thing. Ready?
Yeah.
No.
Baby.
Oops. Yup. Ronnie's
I'm going to see your camera.
filming the outro. So, thank you for watching, and we'll see you for our next video. Bye!
See us for our next video. Bye.